here right now. They're gonna bark? Get in your fucking house. We're trying to get in your fucking house because you won't come out. If you don't come out, we're coming in. So you have a choice. Either you come out or we come in. You have a choice. Either way, we're hanging out. Okay. 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 Let's go.
You don't mean.
What if her dad like coming out here with a gun or something?
We make a run for it.
You're trying to steal my daughter's womb.
Her womb.
Her chest. No. Anyway, he's creepy. Her mom is so nice, but her dad's like a demon. Okay.
It's calling.
Yo.
You woke your dogs up again?
Dude, they're fucking dogs. Just come out. You're like, you're trying to steal my daughter's cherry. But, okay, Caleb, this is what you're going to do. You're going to come out and sit in your red car. That's all. We promise. Okay?
That is it.
Do it. No, you're not doing it. Do it. Or call the police.
Or I'm gonna rape you.
No.
What?
She hung up.
Why?